In terms of being a general machinist, the demand is high because they're finding a tough time finding skilled workers. It's going to be able to give you more control of your salary, your skill set. If you have these skills coming right out of school, that's a better place to be. Our campus here in Thomasville, Georgia has the latest and greatest DMG mooring machines to learn on. We're the only ones in the area that has these high-tech machines that students can learn from. If you can jump out the gate and learn on something that's pretty high-tech, it puts you in a better position. That's a very, very big plus. We are now enrolling students, day classes, evening classes. Doesn't matter if you work full-time or not. We have flexible schedules to accommodate anyone that needs to come to school to get a good education and learn on the latest and greatest piece of equipment that you can possibly find at any technical college.